I am super excited to share the new pop-up that we just created for MiloTree. This is a game changer. And really what it is it's a pop-up that can link to anything. It can link to a blog post on your blog. It could link to a blog post on somebody else's site. It could link to a landing page, to an affiliate product, to your TickTock, wherever you want to send that link, you can. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I am on MiloTree, and I'm going to click Demo Your Pop-Up, which is going to start to configure it. And it is this button here that says Custom Link. So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click Configure. So this is the dummy version that you're going to start to create. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image. So what I want to link to is a new service that we are offering at MiloTree called MiloTree Blog Start. And it is a service where we will help set up your WordPress blog. We have a lot of newbies here, and setting up a blog can be tricky. So this is our service. Okay, so I'm going to now, here is my image. I recommend a square image. But you can put a portrait style image as well. Now I'm going to do my title, which is, so you can see the dummy title is check out our latest blog post, but I'm going to say we will set you up fast. And then for the text, I'm going to say if you don't know how to set up a blog, let us help you. Button text for right here, I'm going to say click to learn more. And now first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my custom color ready, because I think I want my button to have my custom color. So there I go, I just put that in. And for my button link, here is our blog, MiloTree Blog Start landing page. So I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to put it in the button link. So here is what my new pop-up is going to look like and where it's going to link to. I come down here to Done and Save. And then if I click Preview, you will see what it looks like. But wait, I forgot one thing that I want to show you, that I want to do. I could either add sparkles or I could add snowflakes. I think I'm going to go with sparkles. So I'm going to say done. I'm going to say save. And right here, so here you can see I've configured this in my pop-up builder. I'm going to go preview, and there are the sparkles. So this is super easy to do. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at Jillian@milotree.com. And next I'm going to go to MiloTree so you can see what this looks like on our blog. Here I am on our MiloTree blog, and there is my new pop-up. I can click Learn More here, and I end up on our MiloTree Blog Start landing page.